Discovering the Delights, Tajikistan's famous dishes and culinary culture. Tajikistan, nestled in the heart of Central Asia, is a nation with a culinary tradition as diverse as its stunning landscapes. With a rich history and influences from Persian, Central Asian, and Russian cuisines, Tajikistan offers a delectable array of dishes that are both flavorful and culturally significant. Let's embark on a culinary journey to explore some of Tajikistan's most famous dishes. 1. Plov, Osh. The crown jewel of Tajik cuisine, Plov, known as Osh in Tajikistan, is the undisputed king of Tajik cuisine. It's a fragrant rice pilaf cooked with succulent pieces of lamb or beef, carrots, onions, and a medley of aromatic spices. The dish is slow-cooked to perfection and often garnished with crispy fried garlic. Cultural significance. Plov holds deep cultural significance and is traditionally prepared for special occasions and celebrations. 2. Lagman, the hearty noodle. Extravaganza. Lagman is a hearty noodle dish featuring thick, hand-pulled noodles smothered in a savory sauce made with meat, typically beef or mutton, and an assortment of vegetables. The dish is seasoned with spices like cumin and often carries a spicy kick. Cultural significance. Lagman's preparation is an art form, and it's often a centerpiece of festive gatherings. 3. Shashlik, the sizzling street food sensation. Shashlik is a popular street food in Tajikistan, featuring skewers of marinated and grilled meat, often accompanied by fresh vegetables and lavash, a traditional flatbread. The meat, whether it's lamb, beef, or chicken, is tender and bursting with smoky flavors. Cultural significance. Shashlik is a beloved fast food option and a common sight at local bazaars and food stalls. 4. Qurutob, the refreshing yogurt delight. Qurutob is a unique Tajik dish that combines flatbread, yogurt, and a sauce made from crushed sour milk cheese balls known as Qurut. This mixture is often enhanced with chopped onions, tomatoes, and fragrant herbs. Cultural significance. Qurutob is a refreshing and nutritious dish, perfect for hot summer days in Tajikistan. 5. Manti, the dumpling delicacy. Manti are steamed dumplings filled with minced meat, onions, and an assortment of spices. These delectable pockets of flavor are typically served with sour cream or yogurt, making them a comfort food favorite. Cultural significance. Manti are a symbol of hospitality and are often served to guests as a gesture of warm welcome. 6. Samsa, the savory pastry. Pleasure. Samsa is Tajikistan's answer to the savory pastry, typically filled with minced meat, onions, and aromatic spices. These pastries are baked or fried to a golden perfection and make for a satisfying snack or appetizer. Cultural significance. Samsa is a staple at celebrations and gatherings, symbolizing prosperity and good fortune. These famous dishes are just a glimpse of Tajikistan's vibrant culinary culture, where each bite is a journey through history and tradition. Whether you're savoring a plate of fragrant plov or enjoying the sizzle of shashlik on the streets of Tajikistan, you're sure to discover a world of flavors that will leave your taste buds delighted and your heart touched by the warmth of Tajik hospitality.